The Google Pixel 9 series is here, and it's making waves with its innovative features and design improvements. The standard Pixel 9 offers a blend of refined design, enhanced camera capabilities, and a powerful performance boost. Sporting a sleek, minimalist look, the Pixel 9 retains Google's iconic aesthetic while pushing boundaries with its new Tensor G3 chipset. This chipset not only delivers faster processing speeds but also enhances AI-driven features, making your phone experience more intuitive and efficient. The camera system on the Pixel 9 has been upgraded with better low-light performance, advanced computational photography, and new video capabilities, solidifying its position as one of the top contenders in mobile photography. The Pixel 9 Pro takes everything great about the standard Pixel 9 and amplifies it. With a larger display, higher refresh rate, and additional camera features, the Pixel 9 Pro is designed for those who want the best of the best. The Pro model includes a telephoto lens with improved zoom capabilities and a broader dynamic range, allowing you to capture stunning images in any environment. The display is also a key highlight, offering a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and vibrant colors, making it perfect for gaming and media consumption. Battery life has been improved as well, ensuring that the Pixel 9 Pro can keep up with even the most demanding users. The Google Pixel Fold is Google's bold entry into the foldable smartphone market. It combines the best of Google's hardware and software into a versatile device that can transform from a smartphone into a mini tablet. The Pixel Fold features a durable hinge mechanism, a flexible OLED display with minimal creasing, and an impressive array of cameras that rival the Pixel 9 Pro. Google has optimized the software experience to take full advantage of the foldable form factor, with features like split-screen multitasking, app continuity, and enhanced productivity tools. The Pixel Fold is ideal for tech enthusiasts who want cutting-edge innovation and a device that adapts to their needs. Overall, the Google Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel Fold represent Google's most ambitious smartphone lineup yet, offering something for everyone, from those seeking a reliable and stylish phone to tech-savvy users who crave the latest in mobile technology.